Honey, thank God you're here. Please help me with my zip.
Yeah, you know what?
Jesus, what are you doing here?
What does it look like?
Honey, what are you doing here?
Yeah, you know what? This came to take one last bite of the honey. Since you're married to my friend now, you know, we just have a quickie right now.
Exactly. I am married to your friend. So you have no right to come in here and ask for it. What's wrong with you? You and I were done a long time ago.
Come on, stop acting like a baby. You know what I'm talking about now. We've done this before. This is not new to us, you know.
Wale, I don't know what you're talking about, so you need to leave.
Why is the door open?
Why should I leave?
Because your friend will come back anytime soon.
Yeah, so that's why we have to just do it very fast before it gets back here.
Are you listening to yourself? Please leave, Wale. I don't have time for this.
I'm going nowhere, you know now.
Wale,
why are you doing like
stop
this?
Stop it. Wale, stop it.
Stop acting this way, man. Why are you doing like this?
Wale, stop it and leave.
See, I'm not going to tell him. He's not going to know anything. Just be quiet.
He's your friend.
And so?
What do you mean, and so? Why would you do this to your friend? Wale, please, see, I don't want to have this conversation with
you know, there's a saying that goes on the street that once they bear is always they bear, you know. So, just...
Sorry, you can't debe, okay? Please leave.
I'm not going nowhere.
Look, I love your friend, okay? And that is why I married him. So I'm not going to be doing this with you. You and I were done a long time ago. So leave.
Why are you acting like this?
Wale,
Stop acting like a baby. Let's do this thing real quick and we're done.
You're the one who's acting like a baby. You need to grow up, okay? You need to grow up and you can't be doing this to your friend.
Like I said, once they bear is always they bear. So, wow, your gown, you were dancing very fine today. Everything. Look at my friend too. The mood was all right, you know.
Thank you.
You're good, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's good. Yeah, I was even praising her that the gown suits her. Yeah.
So my wedding night. On my wedding night, you still want to do this, yo? Oh, God. I had everything. And I've been standing at the door. So on my wedding night, you still plan to sleep with my wife. Are you okay? Can't you control your below the bed faculty? Are you okay? Hey, don't worry, it's okay. She already told me about you way back. I just choose to look away and thinking that, okay, fine, since she's married, you won't even disturb her again. So you still have the effrontery to come to my house, my room.
Man, bro, it's not what you think, man.
So what should I think?
Actually, I came to,
No, it's okay. I'll get out of my room. I don't ever come to my house again. Well, I said get out.
You don't mean it like this.
Well, please, can you get out? Leave my house, leave my room, and leave our life. Well, go. I don't want. It's my wedding night. Let me not do something irrational and start regretting it, and the police will start saying one or two things. Wale, get out. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for everything. You've done a great job.
Babe, I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry for what?
I mean, I wasn't expecting him to come in here.
To my own room. Well, I was outside hearing everything. So she give him one more. Come on now.
He's gone now. He's out of our lives. So.
I'm not pleased because he already told me that he has been disturbing you. And I thought since we were engaged, we got married, and it was just wedding night and he wants to do something.
I didn't expect it to.
Now, assuming you didn't tell me all this, I would have said, okay, fine, you guys planned it. But it's good to be open-minded with your spouse. Tell them secrets that you know it will harm them later.
Yeah.
And that's what you did. I'm not offended. Let me just go and tell the other guys that I don't want to see him in my house again.
Okay. And then you come back to me.
Yeah, I'm coming back. How you doing?
You know I got a special smile to help you remember me. And every time you leave this part, you know I get to see. Cause she's bright like electric bulb, so everybody gets to see. And every time you leave this part, you know I get to see. Oh yeah, but tonight you can call my phone. that you can call me all night long.
Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate just coming out to let us know the true life story, despite the fact that the video is short. If you know you can't add happiness to people's life, stop going to people's life to spread bitterness, because it's bitterness. If you're not bitter, why won't you just let things that happened in the past to be? Please, let's stop it. Stop spreading bitterness. And for we guys and ladies, please, let's try to be open-minded. Let your spouse know what is going on. Let your spouse know if anything is fishy around its friends. Let's just try to be open-minded. You understand? I'm just coming out to say this. Let's not keep secret that will hinder us. There are some secrets and you know it's yours. There are some secrets your spouse needs to know, not the one that we use against you, because sometimes people do it. So please and please, let's keep spreading love, not bitterness. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Please, let's like, share, and comment also. My name is Oyiko. Thanks for watching.